After you can use this
Ah,
to do this.
to plain.
Maybe you can put
Kasi inisip din kay makuan ko din.
and
Kaya ako
after,
i-vlog, sige.
after you do this. This is for if you want to create milk or vapor. If you want to add more water or milk.
Okay.
And after you need the glass.
Ah,
You want
this is the finished product. No.
yes.
It's very...
You want coffee?
No, I don't.
I will.
I'm done.
I will.
Si Legend want coffee.
And after you choose one person or two or
You add sugar or no?
no, I don't
No.
like.
We only use this one. Because very easy. It's very easy to use. Oh my God. Robert said to me that bring me a coffee. Paudala na siya coffee na yata eh. Daddy.
Tanawan na, saan?
Lagi iya mangikuan. Gi-vlog na ko no. Mana, it's done.
Maybe it's good.
Yeah, it's very very strong.
Ha? Hindi na mag-alog sugar.
It's depends to you if you want sugar. Dili na siya ganahan. There's mga import from America.
Yeah, like this.
Silent kami. Para lang.
Okay na music dahil.
This. Be careful.
Libre man wifi dali.
Stick-tick. 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 Ang ano.